Okay folks, welcome to Outdoor Gear Repair. Today we're going to show you how to fix a saggy old droopy pole from one of these. Well, I've got an old Marmot Hypno here. And you know how sometimes the shock cords get a little bit saggy like that and then the poles don't kind of come together. Quite an easy fix if you know how to do it, so here we go. What you're going to need is you're going to need a scissors. You're going to need some sort of a vice grips where you can clamp it and then just let it go. There are other ways of doing it, but that's the easiest way. So notice we've got the saggy shock cord there. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put it together, and then I'm going to unscrew this last piece right here. It's a screw-on piece. So pull that out. Notice how far I can pull this shock cord out because it's lost so much of its elasticity. So I'm going to pull all that extra out like that. And then once it's taut, where I know that it's going to be like the original shock cord was, where it's going to have a lot of drawback on it, I'm going to clamp this down like that. That's going to stop it from going back into the hole there. And you need that because if that thing gets shot back through there, it's curtains. Turns the job into a pain in the hind end. So I'm going to cut this off here. It's going to leave me a little bit where I can still tie a knot. I'm going to cut this part off right here. Pull that out. And sometimes they have like a little thing right here where you could just kind of like drop it on like that. Either way, whatever you prefer to do. So I'm just going to take this, I'm going to put a climbing knot in it. Just, grab it, flip it over, tuck it through here. Like that. Okay, we've got that. All you need is just for the knot to be small enough to fit back through the pole. I'm going to take this here, I'm going to clip it back on. I'm going to pull this off now. Boom. Grab it. Put that right back in to the hole like that. Let it slide through. Twist it tight. And voila, you've got like a brand new shock cord. Just like it was straight out of the factory. There you go. And that's all it takes, really.